At the request of fans, Chino will talk with you about Mate 20 today, which was released at the end of 2018. High-end flagship model of Huawei Mate series, Mate 20's original screen order was given to JDI. It is a water drop screen, with 6.53-inch/Full HD/COF scheme. The factory that cooperates with Huawei, JDI, is a company that merged the panel business of Hitachi, Sony, and Toshiba, and it has a deep technical accumulation in LCD panels. In the early years, JDI not only provided panels for Huawei and Xiaomi, but even iPhones also used JDI panels. With such a strong customer market, Huawei used JDI as the cell phone panel supplier for Mate 20 in 2018, which is no wonder. So what is the market situation of the Mate 20 screen, after it has been released for more than 4 years? Chino will take you to find out. First, look at the original type of screen on the market. First of all, the brand new original screen. As a model launched in 2018, it has been more than 4 years since it was released. The brand new original screen is definitely gone. After all, the model is too old, the factory has long been shut down. Then original refurbished screen, also because the model is too old, there are not many original refurbished screen on the market, and they are basically aging screens. All flawless goods are rare, the price is about 200 plus. Last, the OEM screen. Since this model is too old, the current market holdings are not large, not much to change the screen. In addition, the modified screen is also on sale at the same time. Therefore, the big guys who make screens will not make this OEM screen in large quantities. Rare things are more expensive after all. Small batches are produced each time, so every time there are fewer products for the OEM, the price is about 200 plus. Similar to original refurbished screen. Next, let's look at the screen changes on the market. Currently in the mainstream, it is Innolux water drop screen, with 6.5-inch, Full HD/COG scheme. The price is about 100 plus. Compared with the original, in terms of windows, this modified screen is very close to the original one. In terms of size and bangs, and the display effect is also good. The most important thing is that, the price is less than half of the original. Therefore, as an alternative screen for Mate 20, this modified screen is very cost-effective. Seeing this, some fans and friends may have doubts. As mentioned earlier in the video, there is not a lot of holdings of this model now, and there are not many screen replacements. Why are there still people rushing to make this screen? Most old fans of Chino must be clear, a lot of domestic glass is universal. That is what we often call the public model. A public model can often be used for dozens of models. With ready-made public model glass, the factory only modify the wiring, cover, and backlight, and then debug a set of low-level codes, all of which will not cost much. However, the profit of changing the screen of a new model will be much higher than that of the previous screen of the same size. In this way, the factory naturally tends to do these screen. In general, Mate 20 is an old model released in the early years. The type, output, supply, and price of screens on the market are basically stable. Follow Chino Tech, avoid buying screens, stocking up, being scammed.